Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2022 Toyota Tacoma and we are going to program an additional key for this truck. So as you can see, this is the original key that works and this one is not working. So we're gonna be using the Autel, actually called the OTOFIX IM2, which is equivalent to the Autel IM Pro 2. And well, we're gonna need the original key. If you lost all keys, I think this tool can do all keys lost. Let me just go back and let's check if it does all keys lost. So yep, smart box reset. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just add one key. For this, we're gonna turn on the hazards, and it says the system has two keys already programmed. So we're gonna add one key, which is this one right here. We're gonna start the process. As you can see, it says turn on the hazards, and let's just wait. It's gonna beep in a moment, as you can hear. So we're gonna press OK, and we're gonna put our original key here, and we're gonna wait until it beeps. So now we're gonna insert the key that we want to program, and it must beep. As you can see, it's registering the key, and the theft light went off. So we're gonna wait about 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm still holding the key. It says learning succeed. Press OK, and now let's check the key. And as you can see, it's already working. So let's just take the hazards out. We're gonna open the ignition switch with this, and we're gonna take the original key out of the vehicle. So we're gonna turn off the ignition and check the key. As you can see, it's working. We're gonna open the switch, and I'm going to reread and see if we have an additional key. So we must have one key already added. We must see 3. So this is pretty much how you program a new key for this 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on